If channels suddenly disappear from your YouTube TV lineup, don't worry. This is usually caused by location issues, home area settings, filters, or membership changes. Here's how to restore your missing channels quickly. Start by checking your Live Guide filters. Open the Live tab and look for the Sort or Custom option. If your guide is set to Custom, some channels may be hidden. Change it to All Channels or edit your custom list to re-enable missing channels. Next, confirm you're in the correct playback area. Go to Profile, Settings area and check Current Playback area. If YouTube TV thinks you're in a different city, local channels will change. Allow location access on your device to fix this. Now check your home area. On a computer, go to tv.youtube.com, Settings area, Home area. If you've moved or changed Wi-Fi, update your home area so YouTube TV shows the correct local networks. If premium channels are missing, go to Settings, Membership to confirm your add-ons, like HBO Max, Showtime, or Spanish Bundle, are still active. Failed payments can temporarily remove channels. Finally, restart the app, reboot your device, and make sure your app is updated. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.